What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the Veilside RX7. We're going to be upgrading the suspension. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we've been working on this Veilside RX7 for quite a bit, making sure everything's nice and crispy. But before we get everything into paint, we decided we had ordered it a while with the customer, finally came in. So big shout out to Zach from Universal Air. We went to get and got everything set up for us. Got the new coilover air ride shocks, got the front and the rear. We got the 3P management system. We have all the lines, 3/8 lines, so it can, go up and down accordingly. Got the 2 Via Air compressors for the trunk setup. We had to go with the smaller tank, obviously because of the area that we have back here to work with. But right now, we're gonna start the disassembly of the car. We're gonna take the wheels off, get everything off. We'll go ahead and proceed by taking off the original factory suspension, and then from there we can start installing everything, running all the lines, getting everything ready. So let's start tearing into this thing. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you pretty much the factory suspension on here. We got the whole strut, upper control arm, lower, pretty simple setup here. So pretty much we're gonna go ahead and disassemble, take the 3 bolts off here on these top hats, loosen the bottom bar here, and we should be able to get this out in order to put in the new back kit. Rear, pretty simple. Now that we have everything out, we're gonna take these bolts out here, take it out here. Here's the full strut and everything, bolts up to the top here. And then we can continue with the trunk setup and getting everything wired up. Alright, so we got pretty much everything off. To get the whole strut out, we're gonna go ahead and pull that out, and then we can present the front struts. We got El Fantasma. We have to nickname everybody here at the shop porque dice que porque no se la halla. He's gonna slide this. He's gonna slide her in. Obviously, you can find it. You can slide it in. So. Con salivita.
Oh yes, Daddy.
Voila.
Well, here we got airbag install. What are we doing here, guys?
We're just setting up the layout. We're gonna try to hide these compressors in the spare tire area. Probably gonna lay them down. The manifold hitting down here, and then the tank's gonna go up here. So it's not much. We already ran the wiring next to the OEM harness.
It's got 400 horsepower and we're scared of it.
You need my cutting. Are you gonna cut it?
All right, guys, so we went ahead and finished up the install on the RX7. I want to show you guys what we did. So, like we said, we went ahead and did the back setup right here. We had to split it into 3, but everything's so nice and it's like tucked away so you don't see it. We're gonna be able to wrap these pieces separately and with the little design and get these put on there. Tanks mounted on top, which looks nice and clean. We went ahead and also set up the ride height. We still have to put on the full kit to kind of do the adjustment, but because it has like a coilover sleeve, we can adjust the height of the airbag. But right now, obviously, I have it aired up all the way up. You can see obviously there's a big wheel gap here. But what we ran into some issues is this little part of the body that we're gonna have to probably more than likely trim a little bit more and see if the kit is gonna be okay with that or not showing. If we have to do body work, we'll do that, or just adjust the airbag to come to a certain level without interfering with that, because obviously we don't want that to hit. We're gonna go ahead and get this all aired up and we'll go ahead and lower it, see what it looks like. But man, it already looks so good just sitting this low and with the wheels, and not even a body kit, but just to finally get to see this car with like a little bit of a stance, you know, because before it's been all pretty much stock seeing the build, but now that we have some air right in there, it looks like we're almost there, you know what I mean? And I'm sure with your guys' projects that you see, oh, you know what, you got one more part into the car, you're like, yeah, now I'm seeing the vision. But it's looking really good. And I want to big shout out Zach from Universal Air for hooking us up with this kit and Airlift for their good products. So I want to make sure I shout them out for helping us sponsor this video here. So without further ado, let's lower it, see what she looks like. All right, now we see this thing on the ground, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Dude, this thing is slammed. Pretty much, it's on the apron, you know, so I can imagine, obviously there's no bumpers, there's nothing on this thing, and it's on the ground. I mean, look at this thing. This thing looks awesome, you know, and it can get even lower. Right now, as you can see, I put a little bit of pressure. Right here, you can see it's kind of hitting right there. We're gonna have to trim that out. That'll relieve some pressure there to go up, but man, this thing is like on the ground, guys. This thing looks awesome. I love it. I can't wait till we kind of get all the kit put together. But dude, this thing looks crazy already right now. Oh man, dude, I can't wait to show the customer. The customer's gonna be like, dude, wow. Next thing, a little bit of recap. We're gonna have to obviously finish up the body work. We already did the major body work right now, guys. What we're gonna be doing is pretty much blocking the pieces. I'm gonna go show you guys all the pieces that we have here. It's already late in the day, pretty much the only one here at the shop. So let me go show you guys the update on the pieces and what's next. As you can see, we've had the pieces already primered, so they've been sitting and kind of soaking up all the sun, make sure there's not going to be any issues. Front bumper here, got the wing and all the side skirts. So pretty much all the parts are pretty much ready for the final block sanding, get everything ready, prepped out, fill any pinholes, anything. Renee spent so much time on this thing just to make it perfect, all the gaps. Shoo! So I can't wait to show you guys that. And but we're gonna have some more. Want to wish you guys a happy new year. I hope you guys had fun with your families and just got to enjoy all that. A little bit of break. Now we got to relax with our family, so it was really good. So now we're back on the grind. Oscar's been out for a week, little vacation, so I've been here at the shop holding down, you know, everything, the paint and body, insurance claims, everything, which is good just to catch up on everything this year. But I think we got big plans for this thing, so we're gonna start cranking out, you know, doing some interior stuff, finish up the paint, body, kind of get everything all situated. But I'm so happy that we got the airlift installed on this, and it's one less thing that we have to do, and it looks so good, guys. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification button for new up-to-date videos. And here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.